Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screw notation not working on OnePlus Nord CE5. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply checking if we have our screw notation enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center. And as you can see here, we have our auto rotation. Currently, as I click on it, it is disabled, meaning that whenever I will open an application that has support for both modes and I will try to rotate it, it won't really rotate. Instead, it will show this little icon. I can then click this icon to manually switch the rotation. But as you can see, it is a little bit buggy. However, it does work. But we want auto rotation. So let's go into our control center and let's enable auto rotation. Now the little icon is gone, and whenever you try to rotate it, your phone rotates automatically. However, there might be a possibility that this still isn't working. Well, what to do then? You can simply reboot your phone. You can do that by pressing and holding power button and volume up button. Well, I actually screwed up. Let's try it once again. There we go. Now we want to swipe up and our phone is rebooting. Now I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the hardware, but the software as well. And speaking of the hardware, of course, I do mean about gyroscope, which is directly responsible for screen rotation feature, as it will detect how exactly are you, holding your phone. And lastly, as a little bit of theory, you want to make sure that your application actually supports both modes. Many games are known for this. For example, you cannot play Clash Royale in the landscape mode, and you cannot play Call of Duty Mobile in portrait mode. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, though by most applications they do support both modes, so you don't really have to worry about it. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.